This to me is downtown living. You know, this building always reminds me of New York. I don't know what it is. I love these doors. I always think of like George Jefferson. He's moving on up. So moving on up, downtown living, close to Front Street, close to the financial district. Perfect place where you want it. Thank you so much for joining me today at 25 the Esplanade. This condo has had a top to bottom renovation. No other condo in this building even looks like this. Check out this kitchen. This is incredible. The amount of work that went into putting this kitchen together is absolutely incredible. You will not find a kitchen this big or this useful in any other condo, promise you that. And then we've got the dining room. I kind of really like this wallpaper. It's awesome. Normally I'm not such a fan of, big, loud wallpaper, but this, it really fits. I absolutely love it. And then we've got this great spacious living room. We've got new hardwood flooring down. It looks absolutely stunning. You can see there's tons of space here, tons of room. You've got some light, a great view of the city, absolutely incredible. Please come check out this condo. Now you've got a beautiful, bright, spacious bedroom. You can fit a queen-size bed in here. You've got a great closet, lots of space for dressers. What more could you ask for? Do you need to work from home? Because this is a perfect little den space for working from home. And there's storage in this closet. Check this out. Tons of space to put all of your stuff. Your linens, your towels, your cleaning supplies. You never get condo storage space, right? Remember, I said storage. Hello, a whole wall of closets. And check out these walls. These are really, really cool. There's been so many amazing high quality touches put into this condo. You will not find a condo in this building that's this done up at this price point. Come check it out.